Hi boys and girls, today is Monday. We are going to talk about research. So, what is research? When we research, we try to find out more information about a topic, and we can use different resources to research a topic. Resources are things like books, information on the computer, or other places. The resources we use help us research a topic should provide information that helps us understand the topic better. When we gather this information and organize it, we can use it to write our own research text about a topic. So we've done this before as first graders. We've read about a topic and then we've written information that we learned about it. Research writing is based on the gathering of information about a topic. So we gather information. Take a look at the sample prompt for research writing to the right. So here we are. Here's a prompt. There are many animals in the wild and each one is different. Choose one animal to research and give information about that animal in an informative or explanatory text. We've done something like that before with a prompt like this. So that's an example. The prompt tells us what we should be thinking about, which is wild animals and how they're different. It tells us to choose one of the wild animals to research and get information on. So then once you've thought about that animal, about wild animals and how they're different, now you're going to pick one. Then we are supposed to use what we found out about the animal to write a text that gives us information or explains about what we learned about the animal. Now, that is an example, but we have a different prompt. This week, we are going to write about, here's our prompt. There are many popular sports that are played around the world, and each one is different. Choose one sport to research, and then give information about that sport in an informative text. So, now it's your turn. You're going to read our writing prompt, which is here, and then answer the questions below. What subject are you going to be writing about? What are we going to be researching? And after we research, then what do we need to do with that information? Let's go ahead and answer those questions. What is our subject? In the writing prompt, what are we going to write about? Sports. We're going to write about sports. Okay, what are we going to research? We're going to research about how the sport is played and how might it be different from other sports. After we do our research about a sport, what are we going to do with that information? We are going to write an informative text, a paragraph informing the reader about the sport that you chose. Now, if you'd like, you can choose the sport that is here already for you. It says Summer Olympic Events. It has information about water sports, gymnastics as well. So you can pick one of these, or you can pick your own sport that you'd like to research. That means look up information and gather that information, or you can use one of these sports that are already here for you. And then you will write an informative text paragraph about it.